Well, who wants to see me dance? I've learned a few things from all these rehearsals and picked up some moves. So, I got to showcase it. This is a little song I wrote. A little song I wrote about falling in love for the second time. Because for the second time with the same girl, I mean, thank God she changed, you know. Just first time around wasn't a charm. So I wrote a song about that. It's called "Love at Second Sight."
1, 2, 3, 4. We were going out, but not anymore. There's just too many women in this world to ignore. So I found me another, a second one. And a third and a fourth. I was being good, yeah. I even had a little moment when I met my brother's wife. True story didn't happen. I was 16, man. Let me go out on a limb and say I was a player. But then I saw you looking across the way. Woo! Had your act together, no longer insane. So I approached you with my news arm. I looked at you, you looked at me. I knew this was right, this is our destiny. I looked at you, you looked at me. I knew this was right, this is our destiny. Into your eyes, sing inside, sing inside. Sing inside. You slapped me in the face. You went out for Jake. I couldn't blame you. You look like Matthew McConaughey. You know what I did? I started stalking you on MySpace and Facebook and all the rest. But then I saw you looking across the way. You got it now. You got it together now. I looked at you. You changed sexes, man.
Man, dancing's tiring.